Hello and how are you? Today is Sunday here in Tokyo, and we met our friends who are on their way to the airport right now because today they are heading back to Germany, but we're still here. And we did quite a bit. We have been to Skytree. For breakfast we had a very nice unagi, and the nice thing about this little shop that was basically right next to our Airbnb, it was a very small shop, and that was 100% a local shop. There were not a single word in English in this shop, and the owner was very kind, was very patient with us. It was kind of funny. He like gave us a place, then he gave us the menu, and said in Japanese that we're probably not able to read it, but we said it's fine. We know a little bit of our Japanese, and very delicious. Not cheap, but still fine. But unagi is not cheap to begin with. So yeah, then as I said, we went to Skytree. We ate some delicious crepes, and right now we've been to a very nice knife shop here in Asakusa, which is called Kama-Asa, and I found them on TikTok, and they have English speaking staff, so the process was like very easy, and I bought a knife, and right now we're waiting for it to be engraved. What engraving I chose? I let them engrave the word omotenashi, which in Japanese means hospitality, because at home when I get guests, nobody has to go home hungry. So yeah, and later we will try out a cafe where you can get a massage while drinking your tea. If that's not amazing, I don't know what is. So yeah, let's finish the knife and then let's head to the cafe. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? We had a pretty hard cut here because yesterday, we have the next day now, there didn't happen much after we've been to the cafe where you put your feet into hot water and you get a massage. After that I felt really sick. And long story short, I went to the hospital. So that is an experience not everyone can say, getting into a Japanese hospital. Yeah, long story short, what happened? I have a past history with an overdevelopment of stomach acid. So my stomach walls are I wouldn't say damaged, but very irritated, because half a year ago I had a shoulder injury where I had to take a lot of high doses ibuprofen just to offset the inflammation in my shoulder. And since then I had like at that time I had very big problems with acid reflux and pretty much pain. That went away after I stopped taking the medicine, the ibuprofen. And now that we're here in Japan for like 2 weeks, and obviously we're our holiday, we or especially me, I drank a good amount of alcohol, I would say, and also like very acid heavy alcohol, like Strong Zero I mentioned before. It's a very acidic drink, very citrusy, very sparkly. And yesterday I felt kind of nauseous. And after the hot foot bath with the massage, it got worse. And me and my girlfriend were strolling around, and we thought about eating something, but I couldn't eat. I just felt sick to the stomach for some reason. I don't know why. And to battle that, I said, okay, let's get home, and let's take a small ibuprofen, like a 400 milligram. And I think that wasn't the best idea, because I think maybe I just got a little like flu infection, or like a little cold or something, like I don't know. And when we were back at the Airbnb, my condition got worse instead of better. And then I tried to sleep like 1 or 2 hours. I just lay down, tried to sleep it away basically. And then at around like 10 o'clock, like PM, I went to the bathroom and threw up. It was like usually you usually throw up, you have like a couple of pushes where stuff comes out. The first 2-3 pushes, there were like food from the day, but the last like 4th push, there was like blood, like blood, like not mixed with food. It was just like straight up blood. And at that moment, I said to my girlfriend, I have to go to the hospital. Doesn't matter how. It was very late on a Sunday. I threw up blood. I have to go to the hospital. I know for a fact that is not good, and I don't want to challenge anything here. And so we went. So we packed like just a couple of necessities. I put on some comfortable clothes just in case I have to stay in the hospital. And at first we went to the closest hospital, but unfortunately they didn't have any English-speaking staff there, and our communication is not too good. But I kind of like told her like the situation, what happened. She kind of got a hang of it, but she said that just like the doctor that was there said that the doctor that was there said I'd rather go to University Clinic in Shinjuku, which she gave us the address for. And we went there, and they had full English-speaking doctors, which was amazing. And yeah, so basically I had what is called a stomach, what fuck, how do you call it? Something in my stomach. I will put it somewhere up on the screen. So yeah, basically the alcohol, the acidic consumption of drinks, and the ibuprofen made like a small leak in my stomach wall. And I kind of thought that was a matter of time that would happen. Unfortunately, it happened right at my trip. So yeah, they gave me like an infusion with water because I lost a lot of liquid, and they prescribed me a couple of medicine that I take, one for my nausea and one just to repair the stomach walls. They took a blood test, and they said I have slightly elevated like inflammatory numbers. So slightly not inflammatory, but I think like viral infection numbers, like slightly elevated, where they can't really tell from where it came. She said it's hard to pinpoint because like an incubation time has from any virus has usually like 12 hours, and we were a little bit too early for that. So bottom line, she said that I had if overnight it would get worse, I might come back the next day and get a checkup for a flu infection, or even if my stomach pain gets worse, I should definitely come back, because then maybe the slight opening in the stomach wall didn't close as it should, or like is not closing at all. So we went back home. It was 3 o'clock in the night. We took 3 Ubers in total to get around. I had to pay the bill because I forgot, or I thought I had some sort of travel insurance. I didn't, so may that be a lesson for you. Today I was mostly sleeping, try to get a lot of rest. So we had like a very relaxed day. We did basically nothing, but now it's evening. We still have to eat, and that's what we're gonna do now. So I got a little bit of fresh. I took a shower, and I'm feeling well. I'm feeling very well. I have an appetite again. I can drink. I don't have a fever. I don't have any pain or something. So that's a good sign. So basically, I think I like, yeah, maybe a good portion of sleep was fine. And yeah, now we're going to eat. We have a matsuya nearby, which is one of the three gyudon or beef bowl restaurants in Japan. So we're going to get some food there, and yeah, then we're heading back home. And tomorrow we will continue our journey because there are a couple of clothing stores that I still want to visit. So yeah, that's the situation we're in right now.